US imports in last 20 years. Number 20, 13.16% of GDP. Number 19, 13.69% of GDP. Number 18, 2014.82% of GDP. Number 17, 15.66% of GDP. Number 16, 16.33% of GDP. Number 15, 16.55% of GDP. Number 14, 17.44% of GDP. Number 13, 13.83% of GDP. Number 12, 15.88% of GDP. Number 11, 17.28% of GDP. Number 10, 17.4% of GDP. Number 9, 16.42% of GDP. Number 8, 16.45% of GDP. Number 7, 15.35% of GDP. Number 6, 14.65% of GDP. Number 5, 15.2%. Number 4, 15.25% of GDP. Number 3, 14.58% of GDP. Number 2, 13.18% of GDP. Number 1, 14.59% of GDP.